Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Debbie Somas. If this is your first time on this YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you for tuning in. And if this isn't your first time, this is not your second time, you are not a subscriber, I am going to dedicate 3 seconds of this video to you. Yes, I'm going to dedicate 3 seconds to you to subscribe. 3 seconds. Okay, yeah. Yay! Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, thank you so much. And I realized that from my last video up until this video, I've gained 3 new subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for joining the fam. Thank you for supporting this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, thank you. Okay, down to today's business. I'm going to be talking about my hair. I don't do anything, so I don't do any ceremony. It's really not a big deal for me when it comes to my hair, but I get a lot of compliments. Oh, I love how you do your hair, I like your hair, what products do you use? And it's amazing because I don't use any special products, but I'm going to be sharing the products that I use for my hair to make my hair look fabulous in its natural form. And yeah, so I have 3 goals that I set for myself while I'm styling my hair. The first goal is to keep my hair soft, moisturized and manageable, because nobody likes hard, difficult hair. And the second goal is for it to remain in its natural state, just the way my hair is. I'm not going to try to coil it or try to make it something that it is not. I just let my hair rest and let it do its thing. Okay, and the third thing is to keep my hair shiny. We don't like dull hair here, okay? So yes, dull hair here, okay? Let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, so the first thing is to wash your hair with warm water using shampoo and conditioner, or if you like, you could just do a cool wash. Either ways, just make sure you're starting with clean hair. So I always wash my hair with warm water. It's very important. If your hair is natural, your hair is going to love warm water. Don't use cold water. So this is an optional step. It's the Organics by Africa's Best Olive Oil Deep Conditioner treatment for weak, damaged hair. So I don't deep condition every day. It's not deep conditioning today, so I'm not going to demonstrate this. But simply you just put the deep conditioner in your hair, cover it with I don't know, your shower cap or something, then wait for about 10 minutes to get your hair conditioned. So yeah, this is what I use to deep condition my hair. But today, something that I do every day, every time, is to use this Cantu shea butter for natural hair leave-in conditioning cream. It says it repairs hair breakage, leaves hair soft and manageable. So I apply this next. This is the Cantu Nut leave-in conditioner. Looks like this. So I take about this much, apply it on my hair. So it's a leave-in conditioner, and that means you don't need to wash it off, so you leave it in your hair. So I just massage it throughout my hair. You notice I haven't combed my hair. That's because I want my hair to remain in its natural state. So just massage your products into your hair like this. Okay, this product that I use is this Dark and Lovely Moisture Plus Oil Moisturizer. Also, this is just to add more moisture to my hair. Yeah, so this is it, Dark and Lovely, and this is what it looks like. So I take about this much and also just massage it into my hair. Our next product is coconut oil. If you've been watching my videos, you will know that I love coconut oil. I use it for my skin, I use it for my hair, I use it for everything, coconut oil. So this one is from Elvira Coconut Oil. I got this at Ebano Superstores in Lagos. So I'll just take a bit of coconut oil to add shine to my hair. We need our hair to look shiny. We need the hair to look shiny, so we add coconut oil to add a bit more shine to the hair. So I just take some and massage into my hair like I've been doing with the other products. You could stop here or go ahead and put a side part or whatever, and sometimes I lay my edges. If you don't have edges, you can just keep this. Okay, so I use this Eco Styling Gel. This is the one I use currently. It doesn't leave any flake, no tack, anti-itch, moisturizes hair and scalp, tames frizzles, freeze, and yeah, so just going to take some and add to my edges. Okay, and oops. Okay, then just cover it up, and voila. Hello? Sorry, I can't hear you over my edges. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send me a DM on Instagram or put your comments down below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to reply you guys. And if you have any other video ideas or videos you'd like to see on this channel, please feel free to let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.